Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. You know who I am. I just got interrupted by Sutter County Animal Services, aka Animal Control. I'm not in trouble. My cats are in the house, but it's because of the chickens in my neighborhood. So, they are a pest, and I'm not going to go there. So today, the reason why I'm doing this, and I'm having to use my phone because I'm having issues with my camera system here in my kitchen studio. So, yeah. Tonight, I'm making nachos on this Taco Tuesday. It's close. But I wanted to do something different with the meat that's going into the nachos. I could have, let me switch, used the original taco seasoning mix from McCormick. And this has in it, and I'm just going to kind of go over the spices and herbs, chili pepper, whichever the hell that means, cumin, oregano, and red pepper, whatever that means. That could mean paprika, onion, salt. I'm not sure where milk comes into this. Sugar, paprika, garlic, and, blah, blah. So, I do use the McCormick mix on a couple different recipes because they're fast, they're quick, and they're comfort food. One of them is my chili mac. Yes. A lot of people complain to me that there's too much salt. Now, if you actually look at that ingredient list, salt is way down the list. So, for tonight's nachos, I'm blending my own taco seasoning. Let's take a look. We've got Gran Pasilla chili. And this is from the top going down the ingredient list. Cumin. Sea salt. I'm using sea salt instead of kosher because of the fine grain. Black pepper. Mexican paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. And ground oregano. I love ground oregano in recipes like this. So you can see there's several more actually herbs and spices in this mix than the McCormick. So let's take a look. Let's put this together. So we got the pasilla, the cumin, the sea salt, the black pepper, Mexican paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, the cayenne, and the ground oregano. So here we are in a wonderful bowl, and I just use kind of bowl for the ingredients, and I just use a fork. And so we're going to mix this together. Oh, that smells so good. So this is what I'm going to be using in tonight's ground elk. I'm using elk, not beef. I'm trying to save some money, to be quite honest. I have lots of ground elk in our outdoor freezer. So it'd be ground elk with some diced onion and some garlic and this taco seasoning blend. So, in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.